Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walls for this one. Yeah, and welcome for the returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back to my videos. And if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Put the video to the head. And guys, guess what? Today I'm in the streets of Billionaires, which is Eastleigh, located in Nairobi. And today I decided to take you around and show you what happens here. Stay tuned, watch the video to the end. There's a bit of traffic jam, but everything is going on well. The streets are so busy, so let's keep on walking around. Yeah. We have beautiful tower there. It's called Yale Towers. Today the street seems to be not that busy. We are just walking around and I'll show you how this place looks like. Let's keep on walking. We have some beautiful apartments around here, built by Somali people. That is the BBS mall there, one of the biggest mall in Africa. I don't know whether you can see. That is the mall, guys. The BBS mall, the famous BBS mall. Let me walk around here so that I can view the mall here. if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, guys. Road to 5,000 subscribers. The mall is so big. The whole starts from here up to the other side. It's a big mall. The place is so clean. One of the biggest malls in East and Central Africa, and I'm happy to be here, guys. As I explore this place, let's do this together. So guys, everything here is full. Look at this beautiful apartment here. I love how everyone is busy here, minding their own business, guys. Let me show you there, guys, the brilliant one. Guys, the view looks so good, eh? This is the view of the GPS mall. I don't know whether you can see it here. Yeah. A nice and a big mall. Let's keep on walking. There are some people who are packaging avocados here. Nyanya. Naja. Usijali. Yeah. So guys, you know I love Eastleigh. The vibe, the Somali people, the development. Yeah. Guys, do we have to call this Somaliland? Do we have to call this the capital city of Somalia because it's full of Somali people? As you can see, and I know you have heard of Eastleigh, which is based in Nairobi, Kenya, full of Somali people. So guys, let me know. Should we name this the capital city of Somalia? let's cross on the other side of the road. Guys, I don't know whether it's Somali or Somalia. Let me know. Let me know there in the comments. We are trying to get a way to go on the other side of the road. Yeah. Huh? Ni content creation. Ni content creation. Content.
Yeah?
Ya YouTube. Mimi ni YouTuber.
YouTube.
Okay, asante. Tunaweza chukua picha nayo?
Hapana kai.
Sina shida.
Wacha nikwambie.
So you are doing an amazing job.
Baba.
Unafanya kazi mzuri, sawa?
Niende pale, tukikondre jamu hii. Si kama ni kusika utasikia.
Oh, naweza kuchukua tena.
Haiko acha.
Guys, I met this police officer from Italy. You don't want to be seen on the camera, and you're so happy. He's a nice person.
Ni gani?
Unataka kuonekana?
Kuonekana
Kwa TV.
Ni kitu gani?
Claudia Ward. TV. Sawa. Yo, guys. So guys, let's keep on walking. Guys, this is the capital city of what now, guys? Unaitwa nani? Julius, subscribe to Claudia Walks YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you. Oh, Isili is so beautiful, guys. You guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are exploring Isili. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. If you have enjoyed the video, let me know in the comment section. If you want to do more videos about Isili, still let me know. If you have another street you want me to go, let me know too. See you in the next video. Bye bye.